Hey Tug followers, Keith here. Today we're going to be looking at the Parachute mattress. Now Parachute is known for its very high quality bedding, sheets, pillows. And this is their first foray into the mattress space with a luxury Innerspring model that has no polyurethane foam, so it has a nice eco-friendly story. But how does it stack up to Tug's tests? Keep watching to find out. Our mattress testing team today includes lightweight sleeper Elizabeth, average weight sleeper Charles, and heavyweight sleeper Mary. To unbox the Parachute mattress, grab a friend and move the box to its final destination. It's worth noting this bed is heavy and bulky, so you will need somebody else with you to unbox. Take the roll-packed mattress out of the box and remove the plastic. Give it about 12 to 24 hours to fully recover. The Parachute mattress is a 13-inch coil-on-coil hybrid Innerspring mattress. The cover is made from 100% organic cotton. The comfort layers consist of New Zealand wool, pocketed mini-coils, and a wool insulator pad. The comfort layers sit on a zoned, multi-gauge pocketed coil support core on top of a wool insulator base. The Parachute mattress comes in at about a 6.5 out of 10 on the firmness scale, making it a medium firm mattress. The feel of this bed is much closer to an Innerspring mattress. It's quite responsive, so won't conform very closely to a sleeper, and has a bit of bounce to it. Parachute did add a zoned, so multi-gauge pocketed coil support core, so you should get some extra support around your midsection. To test support, we look at the spinal alignment of all three of our sleepers when sleeping on their side. We found that all three of our sleepers received adequate support on the Parachute mattress. To illustrate motion isolation, we put a glass of water on one side of the mattress and have Mary move around the opposite side. As you can see, you will notice some motion transfer across the surface of the bed as Mary moves around. This is to be expected given the more responsive nature of the Parachute mattress and the construction with multiple sets of coils. Now to look at edge support. We found that all three of our sleepers felt very well supported when sitting on and sleeping close to the edge of the bed. Edge support is a key strength of the Parachute mattress, and this is in large part due to the lower gauge coils and the perimeter of the mattress. Using our 2D and 3D pressure mapping tools, we're able to tell how much pressure the Parachute mattress relieves. Our readings found that all three of our sleepers received adequate pressure relief, and our light and average weight sleepers more so than our heavyweight sleeper. Looking at temperature neutrality, coil-on-coil construction allows for improved airflow and breathability. Sleepers will feel cool throughout the night. Now, let's take a second to check in with our sleepers. Mary, what did you think of the Parachute mattress?
Overall, I liked it. I like a firmer bed, and I did feel like there was great joint support when I was laying on my back.
I would say it's okay. I didn't love it, but I didn't hate it either. I like that the top layers are soft. You can feel that it isn't super firm.
I think it's a decent mattress. I do kind of like the fact that it has a little bounce to it. Gives you that old bed feel.
Did you feel supported when sleeping close to the edge?
Yeah, it was definitely very responsive, and I'd call it energetic.
Energetic.
Yes,
all right.
It was ready. Whatever position you're gonna shift into, it's got you.
It did a decent job with the edge support. I didn't really feel like I was gonna fall or roll over at any moment.
Absolutely. I was really supported sleeping towards the edge on all positions.
Speaking of support, did you notice a difference in firmness across the surface of the bed?
I did. I felt a little more supported in the middle than I did towards my head or my feet.
How about temperature neutrality? Did you feel like this actually trapped heat, or do you feel like it stayed pretty cool throughout the night?
I think it stayed pretty cool.
I stayed the same temperature. I didn't feel too hot at all.
I thought it would sleep warmer than it actually did, so I was quite surprised.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Now let's see how the Parachute mattress stacked up in our mattress tests. The bed has a hybrid Innerspring feel, so it'll be responsive, not very conforming, and you're gonna feel like you sleep on versus in the mattress. Support is good for all 3 sleeper weights. Motion isolation is fair, and edge support is very good. Pressure relief is very good for light and average weight sleepers, and good for heavyweight sleepers. Lastly, temperature neutrality is very good. Here are a couple takeaways from our mattress tests. The Parachute mattress is an Innerspring mattress that has a bouncy, very responsive feel, and you're gonna feel like you sleep on versus in the mattress. So if you do prefer a mixed foam or a memory foam feel, this will not be the bed for you. This is not a cheap bed. So Parachute definitely went for a more luxury option. It's very eco-friendly. There's no use of polyurethane foam in the bed, but it comes with a high price tag. So if you're on a budget, this probably won't be the bed for you. This mattress comes in 1 firmness option. So if you know that you want something really specific, this might not be what you're looking for. Here are a few recommendations based on our mattress tests. If you're a particularly hot sleeper or heat up at night, this could be a great option for you. The coil-on-coil construction of the mattress, and also the fact that there are no polyurethane foams in the bed, allow for much more airflow and breathability. Eco-friendly shoppers will want to consider this bed. The use of coils, the fact that there's cotton and wool, no polyurethane foam, actually is a huge selling point for a lot of folks looking for an eco-friendly bed. Back and stomach sleepers will appreciate the firmness and support offered by this mattress. Heavier weight sleepers and sleepers who need a bit more support will appreciate the firmness and feel of this mattress. Here's some additional information you'll want to know if you're considering purchasing the Parachute mattress. It comes with a 90-night sleep trial, ships free in the United States, and comes with a 10-year warranty. For up-to-date pricing and exclusive discounts for Tuck followers, check the description below the video or visit the full written review on tuck.com. Thanks so much for watching our Parachute mattress review. Give us a like and subscribe to this channel if you found the review helpful. Visit tuck.com for the full written review and for all your sleep needs. If you would like a personalized recommendation, leave a comment below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Sleep well.